So as I mentioned in my last video, I said that I'm going to start bringing some videos back from the archives. So this is one of the first ones. Today we're going to work on installing the quarter trim in the 63 Corvette.
So we're at the movies, huh?
Yep, we're at the movies. If you're not familiar with that, it's on coupes, they don't use a fiberglass hard panel like the convertibles do. They use a vinyl covered piece of cardboard, basically, fiberboard, similar to what the door panels are. So they come flat and they need to have a lot of shape added to them. So one of the things I did to add shape was I used not a rubber mallet, but a plastic mallet, which I keep over here. This is my Eastwood mallet. So this is good for shaping sheet metal. So I was using either end of this just to put a little bit of shape in that panel to get it to fit better on the 63. So now I'm working on the quarter trim that goes behind the seats, and as you can see, the new ones are very, very flat, and the ones that came out of it, they're a little funky, but you can see they're not flat, so they require a lot of bending in this area. This gets flipped over, this gets flipped over for them to fit in the car. So we're going to bend those. It gets 2 screws here with these little decorative nuts, and then it gets a bolt down here. And then it has this trim that goes over that edge and over the body. So the bottom just gets spread out like this. And the top gets covered with a pinch welt cap. The 63 had a 2-hole or 1-hole design, and this is a 1-hole car. So I'll work on that. So I have to drill a hole for this and just bend this guy. So I'm going to work on getting this to fit upright on the driver's side, and then we'll start bending this flat panel. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm going to have a lot more of these vault style videos coming out, and they're from the past. So, but whenever I actually get the car out of hibernation and get it back over here, I'll do a walk around of the whole car and show you what the finished product looks like of the door panels, the quarter trim, the engine, the whole car. So that way you watch this video and you think, well, what's the car look like now? What does the finished product look like? Well, I'll show you, but you have to stick around for that. So be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss any more of these updates, and I'll catch you guys later.